Did you know the CIA once paid a doctor to erase people's minds and the patients had no idea? His name was Dr. Ewan Cameron. He worked at McGill University in Montreal. Respected, credentialed, a man with an office and a waiting room. People came to him with ordinary problems, anxiety, mild depression, the kind of thing you'd talk to any doctor about. What happened next was something else entirely. Cameron put them to sleep with drugs, not for a night, for weeks, sometimes months. While they were under, he looped recorded messages into their ears for hours. He hit them with electroshock at doses far beyond anything considered normal. He called it psychic driving. He believed he could wipe a human mind clean and rebuild it from scratch. Many patients woke up unable to recognize their own children, unable to remember their own names. The CIA was funding all of it. They wanted a technique for breaking enemy operatives. They used Canadian civilians to test it. No one in that waiting room ever agreed to that.